Raspberry Pi is a small, credit card-sized, single-board computer developed by the Raspberry Pi Foundation in the United Kingdom. It is designed to promote the teaching of basic computer science in schools and developing countries. The Raspberry Pi is capable of running various operating systems such as Linux, Windows 10 IoT Core, and RISC OS. It is a popular platform for learning programming languages such as Python, Scratch, and C++. It is also used for various applications such as home automation, robotics, and media centers due to its low cost, small size, and versatile nature. Raspberry Pi 4 is the latest addition to the popular line of single-board computers produced by the Raspberry Pi Foundation. It was released in June 2019 and offers significant improvements over its predecessors, the Raspberry Pi 3B+. The Raspberry Pi 4 features a quad-core 64-bit ARM Cortex A72 CPU clocked at 1.8 GHz, providing a noticeable boost in processing power compared to the previous model. It is available in 4 RAM configurations: 1 GB, 2 GB, 4 GB, and 8 GB. One of the major improvements in the Raspberry Pi 4 is the inclusion of 2 micro HDMI ports capable of driving 2 displays in parallel at up to 4K resolution. It also features Gigabit Ethernet, dual band 802.11 AC, wireless LAN, Bluetooth 5.0, and 2 USB 3.0 ports. The Raspberry Pi 4 is a versatile device suitable for a wide range of applications such as desktop computing, media centers, home automation, and Internet of Things projects. Its low cost, ease of use, and community support makes it a popular choice for hobbyists, educators, and developers alike.